welcome to my garage. It is about 10 degrees outside today. So, yeah, I know. What I get to announce is my new heater. Yay! So I got a Mr. Heater, 30,000 BTUs, baby. I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing and then show you how I hang it on the wall. So let the fun begin. Yeah, it comes with feet for setting it up on the ground, but I'm going to hang it right in the middle of that wall, blow right down my garage, and hopefully get this place up to a little bit warmer than a freezer. So, let's get some other stuff out of there. Ooh, we got the wall mount. Oh yeah! It is a little bigger than I thought it would be, but better to have overkill than go through all this and be cold. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm going to set it up on my workbench here to try and figure out these fittings. Alright, so I got my hose to go out to the tank and my brass fitting for the bottom of the unit. And I got a couple more pipe straps that are going to just hold the hose on the wall. I don't want it flopping around. Okay, so it's just got a fitting on the bottom. I'm going to take my brass elbow, excuse me, go into there, and then I can run my my hose along the bottom and then outside. My plan is when I hang it on this wall and then drill through the wall and put the propane tank on the outside. Alright, so first steps are hang mounting bracket. Alright, so I got my unit on the wall. I need to hook up my gas line and then drill a hole in the wall to go out to my propane tank. So, not too bad. It's pretty easy so far. We'll see. Alright, it's a wall drill. I gotta make a hole through the wall to run the gas line out to the propane tank. So the trick for going through the wall is drill bit extender. Ooh, pretty. And I'm just gonna use a spade bit to go out through the wall. Now I gotta de-thaw my hose, but Yeah, we should be good. And attach the gas line to the wall. You don't really need to, but I'm just saying I'm attentive like that. Alright, so this is a 100-pound tank of propane. Not one of them little 20-pounders like you guys are used to. This should last me a while, hopefully, with the heater. And okay, so I got my mount done. My clamp mount. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. It's super awesome. Gonna fire up the old heater, put her back together, and we'll see how it goes. Heater's all hooked up. I got the battery in the igniter. Got my gas line hooked up. I gotta put the cover back on it, and then we're gonna try her out. All back together. I'm gonna check for some leaks, do some sniffing, and see if it works. And we have heat! Oh yeah! Oh yeah. Sweet! We have heat and no boom. So, yeah, another project done. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, stay tuned for more. Alright, so a little update. Heater's working awesome. I haven't blown up yet. I hung the back box fan above it just to try and get a little more air movement in here. It's been about half an hour, and we're up to 52. So it's raised this garage 25 degrees in about half an hour. And now that it's warm, you get a little cleaning done. Oh yeah. More to do, but yeah. Things are coming together. Have a good one, guys.